Greetings. This show is about a woodwork class, and I'm going to be giving some lessons on woodwork. I do that a lot in my life. Um, the first project we'll be making is just board and chess pieces, and I'll show you how to make that. They're all handmade, and I've made these myself. They're all handmade, so it takes a long time to make them compared to using a lathe, for example, or machinery made. The class will begin this week on Friday. What's today, Con?
Tuesday.
Okay, yeah, Friday. On Friday, the video will be put on Friday around 5 p.m. And this will go for a long time, so there could be one the next day and a day after that, and that until the videos are finished. So if you want to build your own chessboard, you can watch them on YouTube. I'll show you how to do that. And it's free, totally free to watch the video and learn how to do them. Now I'll show you a close-up of the pieces. For those that don't know about chess, this is a castle. Okay. You need 4 of them in the game, 2 blacks and 2 whites. This is a horse. Okay. You also need 2 blacks and 2 whites. This is a bishop. Okay. All handmade these. You also need 2 blacks and 2 whites. This is a king. You need 1 king black and 1 king white. And this is a queen. Okay. There's a close up there. Okay, and you need 1 of each, 1 black and 1 white. And the last piece is the pawn. Okay, and you need 16 of them, 8 on each side. Okay, there's 8 there. For those that don't know about chess. So when you make, I'm only going to explain to you how to make one of those of each. Okay, so you will have to make 4 castles and all that, and as I said before, 4 horses and etc. Okay, so that concludes this introduction video, and see you all in class at 5 p.m. on Friday, Australian time, in Victoria, on the dot. Well, about on the dot anyway. That's funny, on the dot. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your woodwork.